Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Scotia Group has reported lower profits for the first half of its financial year. For the 6 months ended April 30, it recorded $5.6 billion in profit. That's down from $6.7 billion a year ago. CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica, David Noel, says the dip was due mainly to low interest rates.
Overall, if rates had held the same, so assume we had the same rates last year that we have this year, our revenues would have been up by about $1.5 billion. And that would have flowed through to about $1 billion to our bottom line. That's significant.
Mr. Noel says although low interest rates have impacted the bank's income, he welcomes low rates.
Low interest rates are hurting revenues. However, we love low interest rates. We believe low interest rates are a good thing. They're good for the economy. They're good for businesses. They're good for a stable macroeconomic environment. And so we support this low interest rate environment. We expect it to continue. We'd like it to continue. Because even though it has an impact on our short-term earnings, we believe it allows us to grow and grow prudently and have a sustainable income stream moving forward.
Consumer prices rose an average 0.8% in May on increases in the price of food and fuel. The rate in the month brought inflation for the last 12 months to 4.8%. That is within the 4 to 6% range the Bank of Jamaica is trying to keep price increases. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.06. The Canadian dollar closed at $96.74. The pound is now going for $163.47, while the euro closed the day at $146.69. Now on the stock markets, the JSE index gained 2,996 points today, while the junior market index advanced 1 point. Among the winners today, KLE Group, Pulse Investments, Sagicor Investments, Wigton Wind Farm, and Honeybun. On the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, Epley, Kingston Wharves, Indies Pharma, and G West Corporation. Now, the Supreme Ventures Lotto jackpot is at an historic high. As at Saturday, June 15, the draw standing surged to $175 million. Supreme Ventures is yet to welcome its first Lotto winner for 2019. The company says it hopes the high rolling jackpot will encourage more persons to play. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.